Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing opportunity for freshers. If you're from other batches, do comment your graduation year. I will share some openings for your batch. Yes. So this opportunity is from Browser Stack hiring for software development engineer backend and it's for 25 batch pass out. Okay. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement material, then don't skip this video. Do subscribe and turn on the bell icon because I share regular hiring updates, contest updates, and placement material. Do check out this placement kit where you'll get everything related to placement from learning to practice and the all the resources to apply for jobs, resume, cover letter, tools, and all the platforms where you can find hundreds of jobs. Okay, so yeah, this opportunity by Browser Stack and it's only for 25 batch pass out and the location will be Mumbai work from office. What do you need to get selected or the preferred candidate is that software development programming experience in form of internship of 6 months. If you have already an internship experience, then you are at plus point. Okay, strong understanding at least one language like Ruby, Node.js, Python, Java, C++, good knowledge of operating system, database system design. If you need resources related to CS fundamental, you can check on our platform. I have added all the interview questions of these CS fundamental topics as well as roadmaps. You will get everything, and here there is one placement drive link where you will get all the drive links of different topics like DSA, CS fundamental, aptitude, AI, ML, and many more topics. You will get everything for placement. So yeah, experience with Kafka, RabbitMQ, Docker, Kubernetes highly preferred. अगर ये experience है तो भाई बहुत ही अच्छा है आपके लिए. Okay. What you will do, you will design, develop system application with agility and quality at scale. So ये सारे other रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है जो आप करोगे. तो व्हाट विल हेल्प यू इन दिस एप्लीकेशन इज दैट आपको ये अपना एप्लीकेशन इनके अकॉर्डिंग बनाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉट एवर दी skills they have mentioned, based on that skills you have to show the projects at those keywords. make means आप इन्हीं से रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स अपने रिज्यूमे में मेंशन करो, अपने एक्सपीरियंस में इन्हीं से रिलेटेड चीजें मेंशन करो जहां पे ये स्किल्स यूज हुई हैं. तो just copy this job description as here and then go to our platform on AI tools here, paste it and upload your resume. It will tell you the keywords which is missing. You will get the ATS score which can help you to optimize your resume so that you get shortlisted here. Okay. Apart from that, what you also can do, you can go on LinkedIn on Browser Stack and ask for referral. Browser Stack LinkedIn. Okay. So once you visit to their LinkedIn profile, okay, here you will see the list of all the employees in this company. This, when you click here, employees, these are all employees who are working in this company. You can ask referral from them, right? एक बार में कोई रेफरल नहीं देगा आपको, डेली ट्राई करते रहना है जब तक आपको कहीं से रिप्लाई ना मिले, बिकॉज या बहुत मुश्किल से आता है रिप्लाई. ओके, सो गो एंड चेक ऑल दीज रिसोर्सेस. और यहाँ पे आप एच आर सर्च कर दोगे तो आपको लिस्ट ऑफ एच आर भी मिल जाएंगे सारे कंपनीज, आई मीन इस कंपनी के. सो अप्लाई फॉर दिस रोल. इफ यू नीड एनी रिसोर्स डू लेट मी नो इन दी कमेंट सेक्शन. और ये ए टू जेड प्लेसमेंट किट आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा हो, डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट योर थॉट्स. थैंक यू.